Assalamu alaikum. You are aware that Ambur Ahl Sunnat wal Jamaat is always very active. It gives us instructions whenever necessary and see to it that we follow them well. I take this opportunity to thank the Jamaat and its Sadr and Qazi, respected Maulana Hafiz Khatib Muhammad Shahabuddin Sahib and Naib Sadr Madhekar Ashfaq Ahmad Sahib and other brothers who are associated with the Jamaat for their representations being made to the concerned authorities whenever and wherever necessary. On Saturday, a delegation led by our Qazi Sahib met the Tirupattur collector, respected MP Sivanarul IAS, and requested him to extend the time for prayers in mosque up to 10 p.m. We are also happy to know that the collector has taken immediate action and written a letter to the concerned authority for extending the prayer time in mosque up to 10 p.m. The Ahl Sunnat wal Jamaat cooperates with the concerned authorities in all matters concerning the state and country. It is essential because COVID is on the increase now. Unless we follow the protocols, we will not be able to control the virus. It is a dangerous virus, as you all know very well. So it is our duty to follow the rules and regulations of the government and the Jamaat to control this disease without any spread. It is the urgent need. We must understand this. There is no point in other arguments which say so many things in WhatsApp messages. We should ignore them and follow the instructions of the government. That is necessary. In Tamil Nadu, as far as the Muslim community is concerned, we were worried. We wanted the time for prayers in mosque at least up to 10 o'clock because Ramadan is fast approaching and during Ramadan we have to conduct Taraweeh prayers. We were worried what will happen to us during this Ramadan. We prayed that we should not be in a position like we were in the last year Ramadan. Allah has accepted our dua. Now the message just now received says that the Tamil Nadu government has come forward to sanction permission for prayers in mosque up to 10 p.m. I think this news will gladden your hearts. We awaited this news very eagerly. We did not expect that news will come so soon. Anyhow, God is great, and our prayers to Allah and to the authorities concerned has been accepted. But at the same time, while the government has taken this action, giving permission up to 10 p.m. for prayers, it is our duty to follow the protocols strictly to control the coronavirus. It is hoped that all Muslims throughout Tamil Nadu will follow the COVID-19 protocols strictly and give no room for any authority to say anything about our community. If we follow strict rules and regulation, inshallah, Ramadan will be in Ramadan we will be able to pray and fast in a proper way, following the protocols is a must. I want to repeat this so that no blame should be on us for any violation. Thank you for your listening. Fi amanillah.